Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We got a unbelievable offer starting today, Friday, December 8th through Monday, the 11th at 5 p.m. Let me explain this 25-25 offer we have for you. It's going to be 25% off on your lawn sprinkler service agreement for the 2024 season. So if you click in the link below, you'll see it right on there. It's got 25% off. And part of the other part, I got my notes here. The other part, you get 25% off your renewal, and you're going to get a $25 movie pass for a local movie theater, or we'll give you $25 worth of popcorn and candy for an in-home movie night. Your choice. Okay? And this is a really crucial part of this. And we're going to lock in no rate increases for 2024, because you never know what the local politicians might put in place, what the federal government can do. We're going to keep our prices the same. We're going to lock that in for you for the 2024 season. Again, take us up on this offer. It's fantastic. It does expire Monday at 5 p.m. And what we're going to do is take 25% off your lawn sprinkler renewal for the 2024 season. We'll be calling you early spring to get you all set, so no stress about having your lawn watered for you. And we're also going to throw in either a movie pass, $25 value on top of the 25% off, and or $25 worth of popcorn and candy, so you can have your own movie night at your own home. So take us up on this offer. It expires Monday at 5 p.m. and we'll talk to you soon.